You get
1.
1. Okay? 1 at the denominator or numerator?
Denominator.
Denominator. Agree? Listen, agree? Don't understand. Okay. Wait ah. So you know we get this part first, right? Correct? And the next part we'll solve is this. Okay? First question. Like that change and stick it as 4. Is it like, is this set redundant? Can you do this set? Is it a must to do this set?
No.
No, because there's no 2. You observe there's no 2. The only important part is the 3 here. Correct? Okay, so you can keep it as 4 or 2 to the power of 2, up to you. Okay? So in this case, we'll keep it as 4. Okay, then now what we do is we'll extend our, you know this logic, right? 2 times 1, 4 times 3, simple fraction multiplication. Okay, so 5 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 over, what is this?
3.
3 to the power of
3.
3 to the power of 3 to the power what? 3. Why 3? Because here is 3. Okay, I expand out first. 这样哦，这样 understand? So this and this, this and this. Okay? Okay? Then what do you do? You see the 3 here? 3 to the power 2, right? So it's 2 minus 3, am I right? Correct? So cancel, I'm left with minus 1, which is 1 at the denominator. So you can leave it in terms of times 4 answer. Or if you want, you can do this times 3 to the power minus 1 times 4 to the power minus 2. Also can. Okay? Understand? Listen, understand?
The 3 over 2 square bracket square. Then your 2 square is not included, right? It's individual, right?
You mean the step before this?
Yeah. 3 over 2 to the power 2.
Okay?
Then got bracket another 2.
Can you see 2 to the power 2. So 2 times 2, right?
No.
Okay.
Erase that one.
Okay.
Then change to 2.
Change it to 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then,
What's the difference?
no wait, the 3 then you don't have to.
Square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
Okay?
Then the 2 to the power of 2 still must multiply the 2.
Yes.
Then become
When you
4.
multiply in, this one also multiply in, will become 4. Still the same.
Then it's different.
The answer here is the same one. Here is 2 to the power of 4. It's the same as 4 to the power of 2. What?
Yeah.
Right? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So long as here there's no 2, then you can simplify. You can leave it as 4. If here there's 2 to the power of 1, right, then you can change. You need to change. Understand?
Okay.
Understand the logic?
You go with.
Yeah. So, yeah. Listen, you just try this part. There's a lot of fraction inside. Yeah. Okay, then 你就做，
Let me see.
你就 continue.
How come this? It's not like this, you know.
I know.
It's like this. Yeah, like the same question.
Yes, I know. But you need to work with number first in front.
Yeah, I know. But how to do all this? Like very,
Yes.
very stupid.
你先做那个号码先，要做完那个号码才会 understand 那个 indices. Then you can do the algebra. Because algebra, when you work with algebra in indices, right, it's when you really understand it, then you will do it.
Wow.
Okay, and maths is practicing. You must keep doing. If not, you won't improve. Maths.
Can I minus the fraction?
Hmm?
I just take the fraction minus the fraction.
Of course. Because it's what? What sign is that?
Divide.
Divide can minus ah. Divide 就是 minus 嘛。
It become 4 over 2, right?
Yep. 4 over 2 will give you what?
2.
Correct?
18 don't have factor. 18.
Which one?
18. Don't have factor.
18 don't have. But then, what do you see here? 18 divided by 6 to the power of 5. So you need to work out this one first. So can work out this one first.
3.
Ah. Then simple already, right? Okay, since you all wanted some algebra, right?
No.
Okay, let me
Do this one better.
see ah.
Give us the easiest one.
Okay. Finish? Listen. Okay, then go 7A. Go. 7 ah, question 7. Which one got print for you lah? Listen. 7A ah. Question 7. Ah. I'm done. Okay, come, do 7A for me. Now it's no numbers. Now it's alphabet, which is algebra. 7A easy ah. You can do not?
No.
The logic is the same.
3.
I see alphabet, I forget everything.
A and A combine. B and B combine. Then you see, got 3 and 9. So what should you do to the 9?
Which is 3.
Make it 3 oh? Then same already right? Then can do.
Correct? 3, 3, 4.
3.
Yeah. So the answer is 3 to the power of 3, A to the power of 3, B to the power of 4. Can? Try part B. Đúng không?
Wait, I'm thinking. This one, right?
This one is simple algebra only. Okay lah, your homework can do until question 7 lah. Holiday oh, holiday now.
Wow. No, wrong start.
Question 7 right? From question 3 to question 7, okay mah?
Can.
A, B, B do already? 7B. Nana, A, C. Ah.
Then
Now you see 12.
Can.
12 cannot change to 3 right? But then don't forget it's 12 divided by something. If you are not confident, you will just write. You will just express in terms of this. X 2 by 3. It's a divide, right? So you just do this lor. Then you 3 x. Then y. Okay?
No. Maybe I still answer better. 4 times 1 times y to the power of 2 over x.
Y to the power 2 ah? Ah, okay, can. Okay, carry on. OK。
A over 5B. How you see you know the answer already?
Of course ah.
Oh, you got the answer sheet here.
No, answer should be behind ah.
D, what's the answer?
D ah. You go finish it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see ah. A over 5, then B to the power of A over 5B answer. Or for you is 1/5 A B to the power of -1.
How come her one so weird?
For her lah,
Why?
because she never express in terms of fraction. Oh you did. But this B can bring down lah. If you are expressing in terms of fraction, because can bring down also because it's B to the power of -1. Can donate. Ah, okay. Can express in terms of this. Can. Okay. Okay, carry on. You go home, you do with number. Now here you do with algebra.
Wow. Which one, man?
Which one?
Oh, you can do mental sound.
Right. Course ah.
This one also must do.
Do the okay lor. You start with N. No.
Do it, please.
Do this.
Do this.
Okay lor. This one even easier. One look can tell the answer.
Yeah. 2x, y to the power.
Okay, then do this. Okay, bye. You sure or not? You forget something. You look carefully.
Where?
You also same.
Really, man?
Ah, you also same. You also same. I give you 5 seconds ah.
Wait.
Hey, you only do the XY ah. There's one more thing
Oh,
staring at you eh.
yeah, the bracket.
Can ah? Ah, easy right?
G16.
15x.
Yep, right. Okay, part N.
N. Like that.
Wrong.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right. Ah. I tell you right, you don't forget 2 now, you forget what? You only see the y, z.
X.
X. Okay, part O. Just do part O.
That can all need to simplify. Okay, simplify.
No need lah.
But this is simplify.
Oh, okay lor. Oh yeah, correct. Simplify. Then you simplify. Simplify. Wait ah. I ask you, which one is simpler? If you want to simplify. 看这个跟这个，哪一个比较容易？这个还是这个？
上面。
啊，
哇。Okay. Then this is 3 to 4.
咦咦咦
What?
You sure you can do that?
No, I thought. I thought X must go in.
Yeah, let's see 9x to the power 6 times 8 x to the power. Right? Okay, then what Kristen did was do this. 9x, this one is x times 8x to the power 6. Do you think it's correct?
No.
Oh. Do you think it's correct?
No lah.
No lah. Right?
If you understand, you
Why?
can do this. Because the 6 you know.
Because if you do this, meaning is 8 times 9, that means 72 x squared to the power 6.
Wow.
So your x will become x to the power
8.
8 lah.
8 or 12.
12.
It's still 12 what in the end?
Sure not?
Really?
I only got x to the power 6 there.
Got 2x to the power of 6.
Okay. Then what about this? Can, never mind. Then what is this? 72 to the power of 6.
Wow. X correct. The other one.
Okay, let's KIV first. We just stay put this answer first. We solve the
I
correct
thought
answer.
if you want to take out the 9 and 8 have to simplify.
9 and 8
Maybe. But they are not the same, so cannot.
Never mind, we just do like normal first. Okay, so what do you do here? What can we do? In this case,
Which one?
this one. How to do?
Add up, just no. Wait. 9 times 8.
Okay, this one 9 times 8. Okay, correct. So I take out my 9, I take out my 8. Then I use x to the power 6 times x to the power 6. Understand? Then my x will become x to the power of 26. Same base.
Oh.
12. 6 plus 6 ma. Okay, then now we solve this. 72. Okay, this is the answer. You compare this to this. What's the difference? You got one more this. So is there a difference?
So if you do like that, then if the power don't give to the number, then
Which one?
like we do like that, but in
Ah.
the end we just give it to the x lor. Then
You just follow, you just go this way. This one straightforward, right? Right? Okay, Kristen, understand? Can you do this? Because if you do this, your number will be very big. You will give it to the power of 6. Good. And 72 is 72. Okay? So you try, you take out all the number, put one side. The x put one side, then you solve. Okay? Okay, let me give you all some.
challenge.
This is still easy. Question 8.
8 what?
Question 8 is still easy, but
Okay.
you see Okay. 8O.
What? Where is it?
O for original.
Oh. This is difficult. Not
Easy what? This is so easy.
To you what? Because you learn before mah.
No?
Just change them to fraction.
Up to you You try to solve. Can solve or not? The square root. What did I tell you about square root earlier? Square root and cube root. When you see cube root, the element inside will be to the power of what?
3. 1/3.
So you solve from there lah.
Yeah. I don't know. But I know the first one is correct, second one I'm sure. X to the power of 6 1 over 3. don't know why. Or 6 over 3 1.
Why got y in the power one?
I don't know.
From Ryu.
Wow. Then
小亮。Okay.
throw the y to where?
What do you think? It's quite wrong to have unknown inside your power, right? Right? Your power will only have a number. Unknown will be tagged together with the number
6
in the power.
x 6 over 3 y. Correct.
X.
Like x to the power of 6 over 3, then y at back.
No, x to the power of 6.
It's like,
Then,
yeah.
okay,
Then minus
wrong. Still a bit,
y.
Still got a bit, almost there, but still wrong.
Y x or
Why x wrong. Listen, can you get it?
no logic.
I don't know how to combine the number three.
Okay, looks like you all have some problems at the cube root.
Yes.
Okay, so let me enlighten you all. It's quite straightforward. So, same thing, I got cube root, right? And I got x to the power of,
What should we do with the y?
right? So, when I mentioned cube root is to the power of what? 1 over 3, So can I write in terms of this? Can or not? Can, So now I separate my x and y. I put this thing inside. Okay, so x 6 over 3. Agree?
Yeah.
Y 1/3. Agree? So 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. So y erase 2. Solve.
Okay.
Please understand? Okay? So we all just do then tell me the answer. Same thing for the second part.
I don't know. Let's see. 1 over 6. That's it. Equal y is equal to 1 over 6. Correct. No, it's actually positive. Yeah, 1 over 6. X squared y 1 over 6.
You sure?
I don't know.
You sure?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, let's wait for Kristen to give us the answer.
No, it's negative 1 over 6. I have no idea why.
No, it's not.
1 over y. Because minus or these two minus each other. Minus, right?
Minus
No.
Sure or not? Minus. You see the divide there?
Yeah.
You see the divide, right?
3x squared cube root.
Okay, then A.
No link.
Is it?
No, whenever you use your 1/3, right, there won't be any root. Understand?
Means only left with x squared divide x squared y 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3.
Oh.
So answer is x squared.
No.
No.
Is that the cube root? Can you tell me is that the cube root or not?
No.
You see the second one?
I don't know lah.
This one.
It's not.
This one.
It's not.
This one.